KZ ZS10 Pro review. Big sound on a budget, real-world pros, cons, and easy fixes. If you've been hunting for an affordable hybrid IEM that actually delivers excitement and detail, the KZ ZS10 Pro deserves a close look. In this video, we unpack how its one dynamic plus 4 balanced armature drivers translate into real-world benefits for music, gaming, and calls. We break down build quality, stainless steel faceplate plus resin shell, comfort and fit, isolation, and why the detachable 2-pin cable is a big deal for long-term reliability. You'll see who it's best for: budget audiophiles, gamers, students and commuters, where it falls short, and quick tweaks to dial in the sound. Want the latest price and availability? Click the link below to compare deals and see today's best offer. What we tested. Performance. A punchy dynamic driver brings convincing bass slam, while the 4 BAs boost clarity and perceived detail. Expect a lively V-shaped signature that's fun for pop, EDM, hip-hop, and cinematic game audio. Imaging and separation are strong for the price, making busy mixes and competitive games easier to parse. Comfort and fit. The over-ear design helps stability and reduces cable noise. Tip choice matters. Try different sizes and materials, silicone versus foam, to optimize seal, comfort, and bass extension. Build and reliability. The stainless faceplate resists scratches, the resin shell keeps weight down, and the detachable cable means an easy, cheap replacement if it ever fails. That combo is rare at this price. Ease of use. With modest impedance and solid sensitivity, the ZS10 Pro runs fine from a phone plus dongle, laptop, or basic DAC. No batteries, apps, or pairing headaches. Pros: engaging bass and sparkly treble with above-average imaging and separation for the class. Detachable 2-pin cable ecosystem, mic options, balanced terminations, lighter braids. Rugged-feeling hardware that holds up to daily use. Easy to drive, no amp required. Cons, with quick fixes. Treble can be bright on some tracks. Use foam tips or a gentle EQ dip around 6 to 8 kHz. Mids can feel slightly recessed. Add a small EQ lift at 1 to 3 kHz or use narrow bore tips. Fit and comfort varies by ear shape. Adjust the ear hooks and tweak insertion angle. Passive isolation only. Foam tips or double-flange silicone can help in noisy transit. Who it's for? Listeners who want an energetic, larger-than-life presentation on a tight budget. Gamers who appreciate impact and positional cues. Commuters and students who value durability and serviceability over fancy features. Bottom line, the KZ ZS10 Pro is a budget legend for a reason. If you're stepping up from generic earbuds, you'll notice immediate gains in clarity, dynamics, and build. With 2 minutes of tip rolling or a minor EQ touch, you can tailor it from fun and bright to balanced enough for long sessions. Ready to learn more or grab a deal? Click the link below for current pricing, specs, and buyer reviews to make a smart decision.